और लिंकिन पार्क होगा था लिंकिन पार्क लिंकिन पार्क Alright guys, we found a couple of people right outside Smalley's. How drunk are y'all?
No.
I'm pretty sober.
What is the Paramveer Chakra?
I have no clue.
The chakra with Paramveer, I don't know, dude.
Is it the chakra in the flag?
No, that's a chakra. What is a Paramveer Chakra?
No idea.
We want to ask you what the military meant to all of you.
Basically, some of our friends have had fathers in military, so these tall, well-built men. And then Barkha Dutt's book came out which talked about the Kargil war. So patriotism was very potent when we did not have independence, but now that we have independence, we take it for granted.
I am pretty much thankful because we sleeping peacefully at night. So I am pretty much thankful towards the Indian Army and the way they face the temperature and the weather. I am proud of my army.
That I got rejected
Oh shit. Why did you get rejected?
because I have 32 stitches on my leg.
And what happened?
I met with an accident and so I have stitches on my leg. So they said something more than 30 stitches are you're not allowed to.
An army reject right in the house, ladies and gentlemen. It is not easy to get into the army.
I'm really proud of them for, actually giving up their life for us. Not giving up their life, but, at least the thought of
Like protecting every one of us.
Well, I don't think it's respected in India these days. I mean, they are literally at the borders every single day, and places as useless as Siachen, they're fighting for us, and I just don't think there's enough respect.
They are awesome people. Like, we are here because of them. Like, they have been saving us, like our country and everything.
Do you think the Indian army is capable enough to compete with the US army or the Russian army or any other neighboring armies?
Any day. They are.
Indian army have people coming from different countries to get trained. So I think, Indian army can compete them.
Okay, I love what the military does for the country. They safeguard our borders and they give their lives for us. So we're very grateful.
Guys, really grateful. Okay, you have anything to say?
They keep us safe. Like, they're the only reason why we sleep peacefully at night. So I'm really grateful to what they're doing right now.
चाचा जी, आपको पता ही है कि स्वतंत्र दिवस मंडे को सोमवार को है, तो हम जानना चाहते थे कि आप मिलिट्री, हमारे जो इंडियन मिलिट्री है, उसके बारे में आपकी राय थोड़ी।
वो फौजी मिलिट्री जो है, जब तक ये यंग है, यही देश की तरक्की पर रहेगा। और ये जब तक मिलिट्री नौजवान सरहद के ऊपर खड़ा है, जब तक हमारी रक्षा है, इसको नशे से पाक कर दिया जाए। हाँ, मैं तो हर नौजवान को बोलता कि मिलिट्री में जाए और 12वीं और 10वीं के बाद में उसे नशे से पाक करके उस मिलिट्री में भर्ती किया जाए।
It's an amazing institution of very brave and courageous and disciplined people.
Well, I said part because it represents our nation. It tells the world that what we are capable of and what we can do. So better be not against India and this one.
Hello? Hello? All right, hello. We are right outside Hello Pan, the most famous pan guy in Koramangala. Hello, sir. Hello. How's it going?
Hello. 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 Say your ladies first. Someone ladies fun, please. Baby ladies, please, baby. Thank you. Hello. Say your ladies, no gents, please. Come on, baby. Baby. Please, baby, please,
Right,
baby.
if I take this, you have to wear this.
Sorry, really, and baby, sorry, please, ladies first.
You wear this, I'll take that. Cool.
Yes, thanks.
Go for it.
Baby, please. Hello.
All right.
Thanks.
So what
Hello.
do you say about the Indian Army?
Hello.
Indian Army.
Oh, see, my God, Indian Army is really sweet. Really. Hello. Sir, one gents. Sir, 2 seconds. One gents fun, please. Baby gents. Please, baby. Hello?
All right, so do you like the Indian Army, sir?
Yeah, very nice.
Can you give a salute for the Indian Army?
Indian Army is really strong, sir. Really, sir. Baby,
salute, one
hello?
salute, one salute, sir.
Baby, hello?
Sir, all right, last thing. One simple song for the Indian Army, sir. One song.
सारे जहां से अच्छा बेबी वन हेलो हिंदुस्तान हमारा बेबी वन प्लीज बेबी जे हेलो बेबी कम ऑन बेबी थैंक्स थैंक यू हेलो
Thank you.